If you're looking for a grill to use for your barbecue party or just want to replace your old ones, why don't you consider getting a charcoal grill? Charcoal grills offer a variety of features that guarantee the smoky and tender taste of your food in a faster and more convenient way, whenever and wherever you like it. Today, we will review the top 5 charcoal grills available on the market to help you find a new grill that you can use at your next backyard party or camping trip. Let's begin. The product on the top spot is the Expert Grill Heavy Duty 24-inch charcoal grill. If you love hosting a barbecue party or having friends over for dinner, you will surely love this neat-looking cart-style charcoal grill. With its 372 square-inch cooking surface, you can cook 20 burgers all at once while warming some buns on its 201 square-inch chrome rack on top, which means less cooking time for you and less waiting for your guests. The grates of this charcoal grill are made up of heavy-duty cast iron that retains and transfers heat evenly. It also has an adjustable pan height that helps you customize the temperature, plus a charcoal pan access door through which you can gradually add coals. Grilling, barbecuing, and slow smoking should be easy peasy. To cook tasty food conveniently and enjoyably, the hinged lid was installed with a large door handle for easy opening. A thermometer is also embedded on top to easily monitor the temperature. It even comes with a built-in bottle opener in case you want to beat the heat with a couple of cold drinks while grilling. The foldable side shelf with 3 hanging hooks is also provided for storing other ingredients you might need, like garnishes, sauces, or even utensils, while the open bottom shelf can be used for storing charcoals or woods. The grill ensures that all of the necessary stuff is within reach, so you'll have less time running around and more time cooking. It also has a removable ash pan that makes disposing of the charcoal leftovers convenient. Just make sure that the coals and ashes have completely cooled before sliding out of the ash pan. Thanks to its 2 wheels, you can easily move the grill from your front or backyard to your storage area after use. The quantity and quality of the food that you can cook, not to mention the mobility and practical accessories, the Expert Grill Heavy Duty 24-inch charcoal grill is undoubtedly well done. Next on our list is the Weber Jumbo 22-inch Premium. If you are looking to bring the great taste of the charcoal grilling with you to a campsite on a weakest among us, it has a size of 22 inches diameter cooking grate, resulting in a 363 square inches of cooking space. This grill is fantastic because it has a large grilling surface but remains entirely portable. The lid locking feature works wonderfully and adds to the ease of use you would expect from this grill. Unlike larger grills, the Jumbo Joe is quick and easy to assemble for even a beginner. The ease of this means that you could get to grilling faster, which is an excellent thing to have in a charcoal grill. This Weber Jumbo Joe includes some of its thoughtful features, such as a heat shield lid handle and lid hook. The all-weather wheels allow it to be moved, one of the advantages of a 3-legged charcoal grill. Finally, the temperature control on the Jumbo is exceptionally good. The great thing about the vents on the top provide enough air out of the control to heat as you cook, but when you seal them completely, they easily put out the burning coals underneath. This Weber Jumbo Joe Premium provides a great bargain for the person who wants to have a charcoal grill but doesn't want to spend a lot of money. Before we proceed, do you have other products in mind that you want us to review? If yes, just leave a comment below so our research team can check it out. Please also consider subscribing to our channel to see all the previous and incoming reviews of the hottest products in our market to date. You can also click the bell icon to ensure that you'll be notified whenever we upload our latest videos. Now let's get back to the list. Third on our list is the Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill and Smoker. It was specifically designed to burn charcoal briquettes or lump. With the option to feed wood chunks or competition level smoke, it has multi-cook functions such as smoke, grill, bake, roast, and so much more. The Gravity Series 560 has a shiny new digital controller that allows you to control everything about your cooking from the digital surface. The digital temperature control is also connected to both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to allow you to control from your smart device when you're not standing right in front of the grill. It means that you can control everything you need on the grill even when you're down the street partying it up with neighbors or at a soccer game hours before dinner. Also, the temperature on the digital control panel or your smart device and the digital fan maintains the desired cooking temperature. It has a gravity-fed charcoal hopper that holds over 12 hours of charcoal, and gravity-fed ensures that you have constant fuel to the fire. The reversible cast iron grates are perfect for smoking, and in just 13 minutes, this grill can reach 700 Fahrenheit. Besides its features, the porcelain-coated grates and a warming rack that gives you a total of 560 square inches of cooking space, you could argue that it's a little bit on the small side. But you should still be able to comfortably smoke 2 whole chickens, a large pork shoulder, or a grill for a family of 4. This Gravity Series 560 is creating its niche that takes the best aspects of offset smokers and charcoal grills and combines the two into a new type of grilling device. The wide temperature range and easy temperature control certainly makes it very versatile. Next on our list is Daglow. This grill is designed to include all of the necessary features and functionalities to help you to achieve that constant juiciness and flavor time after time. It gives you that distinct flavor that could only come from a charcoal grill. Also, it measures 60.2 by 50.5 by 28.2 inches and weighs 96 pounds. It has 3 porcelain-enameled cast iron grates providing maximum heat transfer and searing. With 816 square inches of cooking space, it also provides you the space to cook for a large gathering. Additionally, this easy-to-use charcoal tray adjustment crank provides for temperature customization, while the cast iron and steel charcoal access doors help you control the fuel source. While the cast iron and steel charcoal access doors help you control the fuel source while cooking. It also has a firebox that features a removable divider. This allows you to create 2 separate fires at different temperatures. Both fireboxes can be accessed via small doors built into the front of the firebox. This allows you to stroke the fire. Each side of the dual firebox has sliding side dampers to help adjust the airflow and temperature of each fire. Its primary grill space measures at 576 square inches, which allows you to grill food for a large number of people. You can also improvise it as a smoker with enough room for 2 pork shoulders, a brisket, or 3 carefully positioned chickens. Every time you light up your Daglow grill, you're on your way to enjoying juicy burgers and succulent steaks. With such high-performance grilling only steps away, you'll want to raise the lid on your grill every afternoon or evening. What do you think about the products that you've seen so far? Have you found the perfect one for you? If not, you don't need to worry. We still have one item on our list. This product may be an excellent match for you. The last but not least on our 5 best charcoal grills is the Costway Charcoal Grill Barbecue Outdoor Patio Backyard Cooking Wheels Portable. This charcoal grill is perfect for dinner parties and camping. This Costway charcoal grill has a rugged and compact design that provides enough space for your barbecue, ribs, chicken, burgers, corn on the cob, or anything. It can cook 3 different ways by grilling, barbecuing, or slow smoking that allows different heat settings. You can adjust the heat by just moving the grill up and down. Some more features of this grill is it has a heavy-duty porcelain black enameled cooking grate, high-temp powder-coated lid and grate, and a warming rack that gives you a total of 560 square inches of cooking space. This charcoal grill has a foldable side shelf with 4 tool hooks that allow footprint to shrink for compact storage, a bottom shelf for another storage, and a charcoal tray that can be raised or lowered to your desired height. It also has 2 wheels for mobility and convenient and easy moving around and storing so that you can wheel it all around your garden or pool. You can jump in the pool and even have an amazing steak. This charcoal grill is easy to assemble and easy to clean. It has a removable oil-brushed charcoal grid and an attached ashtray for easy cleanup. It feels to last a lifetime with proper care, therefore, it's a good value for your money. This product will definitely help you achieve perfectly grilled, flavorful food for a very long time. That ends our review of the top 5 charcoal grills available on the market. We hope that this will help you find the ideal grill that's suitable for your needs. If you want to buy it now, just click the link to the product of your choice to get a great deal and get it delivered right to your doorstep. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to keep updated. Also, please comment down below if you have products in mind you want us to review. Thank you for watching our reviews. You can still find more details of the reviewed products in the description box.